This 2026 Jayco J Feather 30RKB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Rock Springs, Wyoming, 82901 and is offered for sale by First Choice RVs. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features refrigerator, awning, microwave, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, smoke detector, stovetop burner, TV. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to First Choice RVs.